here's how you can fix YouTube Shorts quality drop after upload in less than 2 minutes. Today, I will show you in a step-by-step guide how to adjust your export parameters and app configurations to keep your mobile uploads crisp. Start by checking your video editor's project settings before you export your vertical file. The first step is to configure your canvas resolution to exactly 1080 by 1920 pixels to match the standard 9 by 16 Shorts aspect ratio. Next, you're going to adjust your export frame rate to either 30 to 60 frames per second to prevent choppy, reprocessed motion. Now, you're going to adjust your video export bitrate, setting it between 10 or 8 megabits per second for standard 0.264 MP4 files to ensure your details do not turn muddy. Now, what you're going to do is you're just going to hit on export right there. And then once exported, we're going to head back to our YouTube. And then from here, you're just going to tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. From here, going to click on the gear icon to open settings. And then you're going to scroll down until you find the uploads button. You're going to click on that. Then you're going to tap on upload quality. And then you're going to select full quality to stop the application from compressing your files over cellular networks or Wi-Fi. Now, if you don't see this option, there's another way. You can transfer the finished video to a computer and upload it directly through the web version of YouTube Studio to bypass mobile application compression filters entirely. If you're interested, I have linked the product link down below.